If you're trying to make your TikToks and short form videos look like Alex Hormozi's, Brad Lee's, or Ryan McGinn's with those cool yellow and green and white captions, you need to watch this video to the end. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Datapreneur YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about all things related to marketing, entrepreneurship, and making money online. My name is Don Bavaro, and if you're into that stuff, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a video. Unless you've been living under a rock for the past 2 years, you know that short form video like TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels is the fastest way right now to grow a following online. It really started to take off back in 2020 when everybody was hanging out in their house at the height of the pandemic. TikTok was a new immersive experience where people would sit around and watch videos with the sound on. However, as people started to return to work, something strange happened. A lot of people started to turn their sound off when they were watching TikTok. Because of this, adding captions on the screen has become the #1 way to increase watch time and keep people engaged with their content. And having cool, dynamic, and color-changing captions are the way to go. At first, it took a professional video editor to manually go in and add these captions to every video. But now there's actually a new free tool that anybody can download that makes these captions super easy to make. That tool is called CapCut. Now, CapCut is available on both desktop and mobile, but this video is going to focus mainly on the mobile device because that's where 90% of the people are going to be doing the work anyway. I'll also leave a link down below so that you can go download CapCut for yourself. If you are doing this on desktop, the process is going to be largely the same, but the buttons might be in slightly different spots. So having said that, let's hop right onto my phone, open up the CapCut app, and we'll start making a video and adding captions. So first thing we're gonna do here after you've downloaded CapCut, we're gonna open up CapCut, obviously. And I'm not sure if you realize this, but you can actually use the camera on your phone and record natively inside of CapCut, which is actually how I film most of my TikToks. If you're an Android user, there's usually a glitch with the TikTok camera, which kind of makes things a little bit grainy on TikTok. CapCut will get the clearer camera app. Your picture's gonna have a little bit more high definite. And then what we're gonna do is we're actually going to film or click the button. This is, if you've been on TikTok, you know this is pretty much the exact short form interface. It's like 15 seconds. We're not making a big video here. So here's the first thing that we're gonna do is we're actually going to record a clip. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make captions just like Alex Hormozi on a TikTok. And then if you wanna change your camera, you can do something else. Basically, they record the same way. I'm gonna show you here with a simple clip to keep this video relatively short. You wanna hit the little check button here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make captions just like Alex Hormozi on a TikTok. This is the CapCut editor, and in order to add captions, I'll go down here into text, click on that little T, and then we're gonna click something here that says auto captions. What this is gonna do is this is actually going to listen to the video and generate automated captions that are actually pretty close and pretty accurate. So we're gonna start that. It's gonna create the captions. And then if you'll notice, in this video, the system generated captions are pretty small. All right, so after I open up the editor, I come down here to where it says batch edit. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to edit these for accuracy. I'm gonna click on batch edit. This is gonna bring up all of the captions. You can kind of scroll down. You'll see what the auto captions detected. As you can see, they're pretty close. Really, the only edit I have to do here is spell check Hormozi. So I'll come over to here, spell it right, come over there, I will capitalize it. And then now I actually have everything's accurate. Next thing that we're gonna do here is, if you notice these captions are here kind of long. Generally 3 to 4 words is all I'll do for a line. So let's open this up here. Let's go here into I'm gonna show. We'll put a line there, and then for now, we'll go make captions. We'll put that on 3 lines. And then I'm gonna use on the screen, you see this little box here in the bottom, I'm dragging that with my thumb, and that's gonna actually bring the size of the captions up. Try to keep your captions inside the blue text there, because different size phones, if someone has a smaller phone screen than you, it might cut off the edge. That's why they put that there. So we're gonna hop that up there, right? Now we're gonna come through, let's play it through. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make captions just like Alex Hormozi. See right now, the Alex Hormozi line's actually gotten too long. So what we're gonna do onto here is we're gonna make this onto 3 lines. And again, we're gonna change this all up in a second. So now we've got everything that are there. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make captions just like Alex Hormozi on a TikTok. Perfect, so now we're gonna leave that there. Now we're gonna change the style in the font, okay? We're gonna come over here and we're gonna click the style. This is the first thing I like to do is I select my font. I like to get something that's very big, something that's bright, something that is easy to read, okay? I don't wanna go something like this feature that's all kind of drippy. It's probably not gonna be easy to read. I am a fan of Bangers font. Bangers is my favorite font to use because again, it's bold, it's easy to read. And then when that happens, I hit the check, go back into style, and then go into style, the style tab here. I like to select this yellow T right here. What that's going to do, that's going to give that the yellow color that everybody likes to use in a single click. It puts the black outline on it, and it also gives you that yellow. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll click on the colors right down here, bring up the slider, and I might make the yellow just a little bit brighter. Just kind of drag that circle over just a little bit. Hit the check button over here, and now we've got the yellow, which is here. If you want to add different colors for a specific caption, you're going to have to delete and cut up the auto captions and add manual captions. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to make just like Alex Hormozi a different color than on a TikTok. So we're going to do this. Options just like Alex Hormozi. So if you notice, I stopped the video right where I was about to say on a TikTok. Okay, that's where the slider bar is here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to split. Now what I've done, what this has done is this has actually created the caption twice. So on this side, I'm going to have on a TikTok in yellow. We're going to go to style, and then we're going to go into here and then delete everything other than on a TikTok. And then over here with the just like Alex Hormozi, I think I want to actually emphasize Alex Hormozi. So let's leave just like here. Okay, we're going to make the stop there. We're going to use the split again. And then we're going to come over to here, select that caption again, go to style. And then we're going to delete everything except just like. So now we've got just like, and now we're going to make Alex Hormozi in green. What I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to delete this caption itself. So now I've got a gap. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to come down here into add text. Click add text, and then we're going to come over to here and we're going to have Alex Hormozi. Text that in there. If you see these little white bars at the end, you can actually drag those just like a TikTok, and your phone is actually going to vibrate and kind of snap to the end of the gap. From there, we go back into style. I select the Bangers font because I want everything to be mono font, one font there. Go back to style again, and then come into style. What I like to do is I like to hit that yellow T again, open up the colors, and I like to use green as another nice contrasting color. So select the green, and now make this really, really big because that's the one there. And then if you have something that's going to be on screen for a little longer, you can come into the animation, click on animation. And then with this, after you click animation, you can come down here. And the two animations I like to use are either judder up or jolt forward. So let's select jolt forward for this. We'll hit there. And then now watch this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make captions just like Alex Hormozi on a TikTok. And that's how you add a separate color caption on CapCut. Now, if you want to add an emoji, it's just as simple as adding an emoji into the caption itself. So for instance, if I wanted to go into video, I want to replace video with an emoji. Let's hop into here. I'll select that caption on the bulk edit, go back into style, and then on my phone where I go here to video, I'll just go into here, select a emoji video. Let's just use the camera there in this video, make that a little bit bigger. And now as you can see, now I have an emoji there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make captions just like Alex Hormozi. All right, before we do this here, we want to actually go into make this a little bit smaller. We're coming to here. I'm going to split this here somewhere in the middle. Come over to here, style, erase the second half there. Come into the first half, and then over here for style, erase the second half here. Now we're going to play this halfway through. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make captions just like Alex Hormozi on a TikTok. And that's how you do it using CapCut. So there you have it, a step-by-step process on how to add captions to your TikToks in a matter of minutes. Again, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend who you think might need it. This process has made content creation a whole lot easier. And if you want, drop a comment and let me know what you want to see in a future video.